I know how you feel about this and you're very strong-willed and you feel adamant, but you have to be mindful that your teacher's in charge, or, you know, and you just pinpoint the different situations and you give them options to choose from, but I would say better options than what they're accustomed to. So you just kind of have to be patient with them and just really, again, explain to them. And you should just be mindful that these are the results that you're going to, because it lets them know that, okay, nobody's giving up on me. I think for the most part, it's the traditional concept or idea of what the Father stands for: strength, admiration, honor. So once you administer that into your children's education, it changes their perception and their mindset and their attitude towards it as well. So I think that that's definitely a major key in there as well. It's just the traditional concept and idea of the Father. And when he portrays that or distributes that, it shows that to the children in the school atmosphere.